Hello, what's up guys? My name is Tesla Jared and today we're here on Tesla Overflow and we're going to be looking at Hacker123. As you know, the software has been just uploaded right now. You can visit our Facebook page to check it out. I'll leave the link in the description and you're able to download the software right now as Hacker123. So we're still working on the software and trying to improve it. But as you can see, today I'm running the program on a web browser because I'm in Kali Linux, and we're going to be making a lot of tutorials in the future about hacking. I'll just try to wait for this examination thing to pass over, but we're going to be doing a lot of tutorials in Kali Linux and how to hack and all those stuffs. But as for now, let's stick to Hacker123, where we're going to get the real hacking version, hack reality that we're going to be using to inspire us and also to get to know a lot of things. So this is Hacker123. If you don't know a lot of Hacker123, what it means and why this program is there, please go and watch one of our videos, our previous videos, where we talk about Hacker123 and why we created it and how you can use it to develop your hacking skills and also your programming skills. So without wasting any time, make sure you go to our page, like it. We just opened the page. There's few engagements and few people liking the page, so we need you to share this with other people and also communicate with us if you have any problems. Mind you, to those people who are active on this page and also on our channel will be given certain awards, and as you can see here, we are offered so for the people who are able to bypass the second level will be given 1 GB data network for any network. So let's get to it and start. So most of you who are using the EXE program, you're not going to find this audio there, but we're still improving on the audio. We're trying to put the audio together so that everything goes as smoothly as possible, but we're still working on everything. So there's a lot of stuff that we're trying to improve, especially on the icons and how the performance of the software is. So from the beginning here, you're going to try to type anything, password, and it's going to give you an error, incorrect password. As a hacker, crack the password to unlock the virtual PC. So in the moment, a lot of people have not tried to bypass this. A lot of people using the software fail to bypass this. I don't know, for some reason, but if you try to research online on YouTube, you actually find on how to bypass Windows operating system. But the procedure is not that much of the same because we're still developing the game. But in this case, you just can shut down. There's a shutdown button here. If you try to shut down, it's going to take you to a page. That page is going to be a repair, startup repair. But in reality, if you are going to do this, it's not going to take you to startup repair. Probably the computer is going to shut down. But if you shut down the computer twice, it's going to take you here. So we're still improving our software and making it better so that people will be able to have the real virtual reality on how to hack. So you go to advanced options, troubleshoot, again advanced options. If you try to go anywhere else, it gives you an error, and you just go to command prompt. So in real time, this command prompt does sometimes open. It doesn't open sometimes because it will give you a password and you actually don't know the password. That's the reason why you're trying to hack in. So we're still advancing the system. What you're actually supposed to do is have a USB flash with Windows operating system, try to boot it, and while booting, there's a trick that we use to go on this option and it won't give you any password. So when we advance the software, it's going to be working like that. But as for now, we're trying to give you just a recap on how to go about this. But some other operating systems that are not updated for Windows 10, like Windows 10 itself, it's going to allow you to check out the command prompt and you're going to be able to do all these stuffs. But make sure you restart your computer twice so that it takes you to repair. Okay, so this is CMD. For those people who don't know CMD, make sure you check out CMD and try to learn one or two things on CMD. But we have our own program here called help. Most of the people don't see this. If you click there on help, it actually leads you to this page which introduces on how CMD works and how you can go about it on cracking the password. So here we're having a little bit of a tutorial that actually shows you on how to crack the password. So from here you can you can learn one or two things. And as you can see there, it teaches on how to get the user, because it's saying type this command and press enter to check the account name. So this is the first thing you're supposed to do, so that you're able to check the account name of the operating system. If you don't know the account name of the operating system, it's not easy for you to crack the password. So here when you say net user, it's going to give us the default account, which is what we are concentrating on. We're not concentrating on hacking the guest account, which doesn't have any password. We are concentrating on hacking this account. So depending on your computer, it's going to give you a different name. If your computer account was saved as your name, let's say maybe Tesla, it's going to give you Tesla on here. But in this case, it has given us this. So all we do is copy this and go to net user. We paste it there, we give the account name, and we provide a star. So what space and then that star there, shift, and then you hit the star. So what this actually does, it gives you a chance to change the password of the OS here when you the operating system. So when you click 1, we're trying to change the password to 1. Again, we enter 1, it says system error 5. So if you go back to help, if you check it out, it's actually identified that this is going to give you an error, but sometimes this actually works. So right now, if you're using Windows operating system, you can just pause this video and run your CMD and try this command and check it out. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, depending on your operating system. If it has a Gmail account logged into it or a Play Store account, it probably gives this error. But sometimes if it doesn't have a Gmail account logged into it, it runs smoothly. So we're going to try this, which generates a random password. As you can see here, they're saying that type this code to generate a new random password. So if you type this right now to your Windows operating system, as in net user hacker123 and /random, it's probably going to be successfully, and it's going to give you a random password. I remember the first time I did this on Windows, it was very funny. I did it and it generated a random password, and when it generates a random password, it actually changes your password. So if you don't remember it, you're going to be locked out of the system. Make sure you, if you're in the Windows operating system, you're trying this out, make sure you copy this, and when you restart your computer, it's going to ask you a password, you put the random password. You can try this out, it really works and it's going to help you out. So we're going to cancel this out and go back to the login system. So in this game, we're trying to give you a real vision on how to go about hacking a Windows operating system, and so this is how we go about it. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen now. I'm going to try to put in the password. Okay, we'll put who.mi. Okay, so it has given us wow, isn't that amazing? Okay, so from the, you should actually watch that first part there. It's like trying to give you a clue where this location of your PC is. It's in Zambia, and there's different levels on this game, but we're going to start with the first one. So here, when you reach in the operating system, you're going to find the bin, the trash. There's Zambian hackers. We actually changed it to Tesla Overflow, which is our new channel, so we're going to update a lot of stuff in this OS. But if you're using the exe, you'll probably find this out, and it's going to lead you to our webpage or our YouTube channel. So here is a message. Okay, so if you read this, it's saying Hacker123. This is a message from Hacker123 saying, welcome to Hacker123. If you are here, it means that you have bypassed the virtual PC security system. We are looking for highly intelligent ethical hackers, and to find them we have advised a test. So it's like a group of ethical hackers that are having this system. As you can see here, they're saying a group of hackers are wanted, and this PC belongs to one of them. as an ethical hacker, you're supposed to, okay, you're supposed to hack and use this PC to track them and find their next mission. Okay, so our first mission here is there is one of the files on the desktop. There is a file on the desktop. You need to find it out and press F2, and the password to the next level will be given. So there's an invisible file on the desktop which we need to look for, and after we look for it, we need to press F2, and the name of the password of the next level is the name of that file. So we're going to be doing this in our next tutorial.